Hey, what's going on, guys? TopDownKickz here, back with another video. I got a pair of these Retro 13. These bad boys need cleaning, scrubbing, touching on the leather white area, some more icing on the bottom. First, let's get these bad boys washed up. Here we are at the washer. You want to use detergent, a little bit of bleach, remove the laces, and we all good. Fresh out the washer, these bad boys came out pretty clean. It still needs a little bit cleaning on the tongue. It needs a little bit of acetone to remove that gunk. We need a little bit of cleanup on the midsole, couple eye sessions. On this next part, we're gonna need towel, acetone, razor, pluck away. To remove any gunk on the tongue, you wanna use acetone with a little bit of water onto the towel and just light scrub away. It doesn't take very much because this acetone is very powerful and strong and will mess up the material, okay? Be careful. For this next part of the video, we got our plastic shoe sauce and plow away onto the bottoms of the shoes and scrub away. Get it real nice mixed in. You know, slap it on the plastic, cut, wrap up. Slide these bad boys to the left to the ice machine. You know, it's your boy, TopDownKickz, with another restoration for you guys. Drop a comment down below if you made it this far. And if you're still watching this video, and if you have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button for me. I'm giving you guys uncut, unscripted. But back at this video, these bad boys came fresh out the ice box. They could need another session, but so far it's not so bad. We seen mostly the dirt came off the bottoms. We got it back to almost original white, stackery look. And if you go back from the beginning of the video, you really can't complain. There was a lot of harsh, permanent stains, you would say. But with that acetone, you can't go wrong. And with this brush it off. We're gonna brush them out. You know, these bad boys is pretty nice. TopDownKickz checking out. You see it. I catch you guys in the next video. Stay blessed.